Everyone knows that using video can be one of the fastest ways to market their business. The problem is that creating video can occupy a lot of time and resources. So how do you get around this problem? Well, let's tackle the main issues: time, creative content, manpower, and budget. Time. The challenge here is the time it takes to write, shoot, and edit a video. The only way to tackle this issue is to set aside blocks of time to accomplish these tasks. One effective solution is to block out 1 or 2 days a month to do nothing but work on your business's video content. Then use that time to make weeks worth of content so that you constantly have new videos to share. Next is creative content. I'm willing to bet that you actually know what your average customer is looking for or needs from your business. Start by making videos that directly address what they need. Manpower. If your business doesn't have a large enough team to dedicate to making videos, consider hiring a video production company or freelancers. People who specialize in video production can quickly make your videos look as professional as possible. Which brings us to the last point: the budget. Creating great video content does not have to cost a fortune. It simply needs to be produced and planned out efficiently so that you maximize the amount of content you create while on set. Next, it needs to be distributed to the right audience at the right time. Lastly, you need to properly track your results to ensure that you are getting a return on your investment. Now that last part is key. Once you know that you are getting a good return on your investment, creating more video content will become your best method of marketing because you will have measurable results that will let you know that the strategy is working. Not only is video an extremely powerful way to get people to learn about your business, it's also one of the best ways to track engagement and therefore is a great way for you to know your ROI. Now, if that all sounds a bit challenging, well, good news. We here at Digital Zoetrope specialize in helping businesses and organizations just like you. So if you want to learn more about making video work for your business, don't hesitate to reach out to us.